Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Justin Burns here. And listen, welcome to the Apps Built with AI launch. For those who don't know who I am, my name is Justin Burns. And listen, I've been on the leaderboard more than times than I can count. And listen, this is not going to be different than the 30,000 sales that we've generated through JVZoo, Warrior Plus, you name it. We know how to put together launches that convert. I've actually partnered up with Simon Warner, and we are bringing you the Apps Built with AI launch, coming to you live May 15th. Now, listen, if you look at some of the launches out there, there's just stuff that's just thrown together. I'm here to tell you that we know how to put together funnels that convert and put more money in your bank account. Again, I've been in this space for almost 15 years. We have our own platform, Maestro. We've been building software platforms for the past decade or so. All right. And this is going to be a blockbuster because everybody and their mother is talking about AI. And so what we decided to do was about 6 months ago, we started building this program called Apps Built with AI. And what it does is it shows people how to take an idea and build a fully functioning app, and also shows them how to get customers from it. The result, we have over thousands of people that have been through this product, and we've been tweaking it for the past 6 months. And then Simon reached out to me and said, listen, this is going to be game changer for so many people. So let's go ahead and launch this product. And I had to agree. All right. And so listen, we want you to go ahead and jump on with us and make some cash. All right. Be able to make a lot of commissions. So Apps Built with AI funnel is proven to convert. It's going to come in at $27 on the front end, but we're going to give them a masterclass. They're going to get a ticket to a 3-day summit showing them everything step by step, how to take advantage of one of the largest wealth transfers in history, where anybody can take an idea and build a profitable app with it. All right. The funnel, again, is proven to convert. We're going to give them prompts. We're going to give them everything that they could just copy and paste right into any of these programs like Lovable, Replit, Bolt, and they'll be able to come out on the other side with an app. All right. So people are very, very interested in this topic, right? Because anybody from all walks of life can actually take an idea and be able to build a app. All right. And so this is one of the first product of its kind. We give them all the tools and everything. Throughout the funnel, which is proven to convert, they have the chance to upgrade to the VIP version of the summit, which we've had over 50,000 people actually go through this summit, all right, which is powerful. And so we also have a few other goodies throughout the entire funnel, things like, the Apps Built with AI recurring offer, which actually gives them a bunch of tools, a bunch of more prompts, and software to help them be able to build their own software as well. So then gives them everything that they need. We got a $197 also upsell in the funnel as well. So again, this can actually really make you some cash with this funnel. All right. Because again, AI mixed with, learning how to build apps equals a game changer winner. All right. So listen, we want you to join us. Go ahead and join us for this amazing, amazing launch happening May 15th. Don't miss out. You got any questions, hit up Simon right below this video. We'll see you on the leaderboard.